Alright, this is no autographs right here, and this is our game against the Realist Radar. I have a lot to say about this match right here. First of all, it's why is it that my teammate is getting IP flooded, or so to speak, knocked offline 3 to 4 times while we play this team, when in other times he's never been knocked offline. And if he has, it's never been twice or 3 times in a row. So I'm just gonna quickly show. I think he gets knocked off twice in this match. So I'm gonna just let it play out. There is his first time timing out this map. I do believe he comes back once this map. But that is the second time that he's been knocked off Xbox Live. Before we started this match, we were waiting for him to get online, but since we didn't want the 5 minutes to make us forfeit this map, we started playing man down. So that was the first time he got knocked offline. Believe it does happen again this map. I'm gonna speed it up a little bit here. The team that we are playing is 36-1, so I'm sure that they would do anything to keep their record. But it's just sad that they will go that low in order to win games. So that was the second map we played. As you can see, my buddy Game Time was booted. IP flooded for the second time during this match. I will show again that he does get booted in the next link.